For centuries, cloves have held a prominent place in traditional medicine. However, contemporary scientific research unveils a plethora of health advantages linked to the consumption of these diminutive dried flower buds. Simply consuming 2 cloves daily can notably impact various facets of health and overall well-being. Let's explore the remarkable advantages of integrating cloves into your everyday dietary regimen. Improved digestion. Studies have indicated that cloves contain various compounds, such as eugenol, beta-caryophyllene, and tannins, which have favorable effects on our digestive system. These compounds aid in the stimulation of gastric juice production, promote intestinal movement, and provide mild relief for stomach discomfort. Additionally, the antioxidants present in cloves contribute to the maintenance of gastrointestinal tract health. Incorporating 2 cloves into your daily routine may alleviate occasional indigestion, bloating, and stomach disturbances. Furthermore, the compounds found in cloves possess antibacterial properties, potentially supporting gut health by inhibiting detrimental bacteria. Relief from respiratory issues. Throughout history, cloves have been extensively employed to address respiratory issues. Their rich content of antioxidants, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds offers anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and anesthetic qualities, which are beneficial for easing respiratory distress. Inhaling steam infused with clove oil or chewing on whole cloves can provide relief from nasal congestion. Eugenol is believed to act as a natural decongestant. Moreover, the antimicrobial properties of cloves might aid in suppressing bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms responsible for illnesses such as the common cold or flu. Improved oral health. Cloves boast potent germicidal properties, rendering them highly advantageous for maintaining oral health and hygiene. Their essential oils, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds possess robust antiseptic qualities, which effectively hinder the growth of harmful bacteria in the oral cavity. Traditionally, cloves have been utilized as a remedy for toothaches and dental discomfort owing to their inherent anesthetic effects. Chewing on a clove bud can offer temporary relief from pain and swelling. Additionally, the antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves contribute to diminishing gum inflammation and combating plaque formation. Better blood sugar control. Regular consumption of cloves may aid in better regulating blood sugar levels, particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. Compounds found in cloves, such as nigericin, facilitate increased insulin secretion and improve the breakdown of starches. This anti-diabetic property assists in managing post-meal blood sugar fluctuations. Furthermore, the polyphenol present in cloves slow down the conversion of carbohydrates into simple sugars, thereby regulating the gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. Increased antioxidant protection. Cloves boast a wealth of antioxidants, particularly phenolic compounds and flavonoids. These antioxidants effectively counteract oxidative stress caused by free radicals, safeguarding cellular health. The potent blend of antioxidants in cloves exhibits a superior ability to scavenge radicals compared to numerous other spices and herbs. Incorporating cloves into your diet through food and beverages can supply an added dose of antioxidants, bolstering your body's natural defense mechanisms. Potential anti-cancer benefits. Preliminary studies suggest that compounds present in cloves could offer promising anti-cancer properties. Research indicates that eugenol derived from cloves may impede the proliferation of cancer cells and trigger their death. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in cloves play a role in shielding cells from DNA damage, which can potentially prevent cancerous mutations. Although research in this area is still in its nascent stages, integrating cloves, known for their cancer-fighting potential, into your daily diet may assist in mitigating inflammation and oxidative stress, factors contributing to cancer onset. Boosted immunity. Cloves offer a diverse array of health benefits owing to their essential oils, flavonoids, and antioxidants. These compounds equip cloves with potent antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, making them efficacious remedies for a range of ailments. Additionally, cloves' anti-inflammatory properties can aid in alleviating bodily swelling and discomfort. Moreover, cloves may assist in suppressing the proliferation of bacteria, viruses, and fungi responsible for various illnesses. Furthermore, incorporating cloves into your diet may enhance immune function by promoting the activity of protective white blood cells. Increased circulation. Cloves encompass compounds believed to facilitate healthy blood circulation across the body. Consumption of cloves is theorized to encourage relaxation and dilation of blood vessels, facilitating smoother blood flow. Improved circulation enables more efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients to tissues and organs. Some suggest that cloves possess mild blood-thinning properties, potentially reducing platelet aggregation. Introducing cloves into daily cooking routines could potentially enhance cardiovascular health by promoting better circulation, particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like high blood pressure or atherosclerosis. Liver support and detoxification. Cloves harbor compounds that scientific studies suggest can stimulate liver function and aid in detoxification processes. As the body's primary filter, the liver continually eliminates toxins, waste, pollutants, and pathogens from the bloodstream. Cloves contribute to this process by promoting bile production and facilitating toxin elimination through digestion. Furthermore, the antioxidants present in cloves play a role in safeguarding liver cells against oxidative stress and potential damage. Increased bone density. Several essential nutrients found in cloves, such as manganese and vitamin K, are integral for preserving bone strength and density. Additionally, cloves contain polyphenol known to impede the activity of bone-resorbing cells, potentially slowing down bone loss and reducing the likelihood of osteoporosis. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves may alleviate inflammatory conditions associated with bone loss. Incorporating cloves into your diet can supply the necessary nutrients and compounds vital for maintaining robust and healthy bones as you age. Skin improvement. Cloves boast a rich profile of antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds, offering potential benefits for skin health. Their flavonoid content aids in preserving collagen, which is crucial for maintaining skin firmness and elasticity by slowing down its degradation. Additionally, cloves may aid in purifying the blood of toxins that contribute to skin issues like acne when allowed to accumulate. Their antimicrobial properties further bolster skin health by thwarting bacterial overgrowth. In summary, integrating just 2 cloves into your daily diet can yield a plethora of health advantages. From enhancing digestion and oral hygiene to regulating blood sugar levels and enhancing antioxidant defense, cloves deliver remarkable benefits despite their small size. Their broad spectrum of potential therapeutic effects renders them a wise inclusion in any health-conscious dietary regimen. While further research is warranted to explore certain effects, cloves' antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties hold promise in mitigating significant illnesses such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. So, enrich your culinary creations and beverages with a couple of cloves each day to harness these irresistible health benefits. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.